In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Namecheap CPanel and log in the easy way, step by step. If you've ever felt stuck trying to find CPanel inside Namecheap, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get into your hosting dashboard in just a few seconds. And once you're inside, I'll also show you what you can do in CPanel, like managing files, WordPress, email accounts, databases, domains, SSL, and backups. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy website tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your normal account email and a password. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your Namecheap dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You want to click on Hosting List. This section shows all of the hosting plans connected to your account, so if you have more than one service, this is where you'll find the one you need. Now find your active hosting plan in the list. If you have shared hosting, EasyWP, or another hosting package, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. This is important because each hosting plan can have its own cPanel access button. Once you've found the right hosting account, look for the button that says Go to cPanel next to it and click it. Namecheap will now automatically log you into cPanel. The best part here is that you do not need to enter a separate cPanel username or password. Namecheap handles the login for you behind the scenes, so it's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. In just a moment, your cPanel dashboard will open and you'll be inside your hosting control panel. Once you're in cPanel, you'll see a wide range of tools for managing your website. For example, you can open File Manager to upload, edit, or delete website files. You can manage your WordPress installation, create and control email accounts, work with databases, set up or edit domains, manage SSL certificates, and check or restore backups. Everything you need for basic website administration is available from this one place. If you're new to cPanel, take a few minutes to explore the dashboard so you can get familiar with where everything is located. Most users go to cPanel for tasks like installing WordPress, changing DNS-related settings, or accessing website files during troubleshooting. So knowing how to get here from Namecheap is really useful. And that's it. You now know how to access Namecheap cPanel and log in without needing a separate password. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful web hosting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.